Guys, welcome back to Cars But No Coffee. Today we got a nice little package here. I'm excited about this one. So let's go ahead and go unbox this package. Yeah, I've been super excited for this package. So you're seeing it, well, I'm seeing it for the first time as you see it for the first time. So I bought this steering wheel from a guy on GT350 Facebook group because my steering wheel that came with the car I bought was just the alcantara was really bad. So this is gonna feel like actual alcantara. And this is an R steering wheel. Before I take off the cover, packaged it up really nicely. I guess this might have been the box that he got this steering wheel in. So he actually wanted and upgraded to like a carbon fiber steering wheel, but this is an OEM GT350R steering wheel. So it's gonna have the red stitching. Oh my, this feels amazing. That's crazy. I mean, I wish you guys could feel, because I've just been, oh my gosh, I've been using the steering wheel that came on the car when I bought it, and oh my gosh, this feels so good. Hopefully we can keep it this way. I know it's just so easy for alcantara to, you know, get dirty and get worn out, but I mean, I love how it looks. It has the red stitching. Sorry if the lighting is bad, but hopefully you guys can see this. It has red stitching all throughout here. So the OEM one, the one that I have right now, I'll show comparison to, it has a this red stripe is just black, and then all the stitching here is white. So this will make the, I guess, interior pop a little bit. But oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Like my steering wheel right now, like, oh my gosh, it feels nothing like this. Wow, this is what alcantara really feels like. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing, and then we're gonna get it installed soon as well. So let's go. Alright guys, just before we disconnect the battery so that the airbag doesn't just explode in our face and, you know, just go on with the installation. This is what it looks side by side. I mean, you can look, this is obviously the new wheel that I haven't installed yet. I mean, you can see just how different the color looks compared to the stock wheel. So you can notice the red stitching there versus the kind of white stitching, and then the over the top stripe, just black versus red here. And then it'll match nice with the shift knob that we have for now. This is just the stock shift knob. It doesn't look great. Just dirty and stuff. It like looks okay, but it's a little dirty and whatnot. But yeah, I think this looks better. It feels so much better. I mean, I wish you guys could feel it.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, we finally have installed the new steering wheel. So, looks good. Goes along with the shift knob a little with the red. But the best thing is it just feels way better than the original steering wheel. So